Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well, I've got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your Gmail account. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you would do is simply gonna go ahead, first of all, access your Gmail over here in your mobile phone. Now once you have done so, you're gonna go ahead, tap on the profile icon on top right corner. Go ahead, tap on this manage your Google account below of your account. Now directly go to this option called data and privacy on top. Once you have done so, scroll down till you find this option called delete a Google service. If you want to remove a particular service as well, go ahead, do that first and then delete your account. And this more options section, you can find this option called delete your Google account, which we need to do, or delete our Gmail or delete our Google account. So we can go to this option called delete a Google service, where we can actually choose to, we will enter our password. We'll find all the services that we have been using for in Google, and we can tap on that particular, let's say in the Gmail as well, and delete it individually, or we can go back, go delete your Google account and enter your email over here again, verify yourself. Now go ahead, tap on this confirmation of your account and then tap on this delete anyways, and that way you will be able to delete your Google account, including your Gmail account as well. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.